Welcome to MND Education. Today I am going to discuss about Standard 8th Science Workbook. But before starting our session, thank you so much for growing my channel. And if you come first time at my channel, please subscribe, like and share my channel. To understand all questions, watch this video up to end. So let's start. तो स्टैंडर्ड 8 साइंस की वर्कबुक में पहला क्वेश्चन है चूज द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो ईच क्वेश्चन एंड राइट इट्स इंडेक्स लेटर इन द बॉक्स प्रोवाइडेड अगेंस्ट ईच क्वेश्चन। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है इन विच ऑफ फॉलोइंग क्लास इज मेज क्रॉप क्लासिफाइड, तो उसका आंसर आएगा खरीफ क्रॉप यानी कि ए। दूसरा क्वेश्चन है विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ खरीफ क्रॉप, तो उसका आंसर आएगा पैडी ए। इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पैटर्न्स आर व्हीट एंड ग्रेम क्लासिफाइड, तो उसका आंसर आएगा रैबी क्रॉप। विच इज द ट्रेडिशनल टूल फॉर टिलिंग, तो उसका आंसर आएगा प्लाउ। विच टूल इज यूज्ड टू ब्रेक क्रम्स ऑफ द सॉयल एंड लेवलिंग इट, तो आंसर हो जाएगा सी यानी कि प्लैंक। व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ सीड ड्रिल, तो सीड ड्रिल का इस्तेमाल क्या है, तो टू सो दी सीड्स। विच ऑफ दी फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ मैन्यूर, यानी कि यूरिया। क्लियर, तो यूरिया जो है वो मैन्यूर नहीं है। नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ दी फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ फर्टिलाइजर, तो उसका आंसर आएगा वर्मी कंपोस्ट। इन विच सिस्टम ऑफ इरिगेशन इज वाटर नॉट वेस्ट एट ऑल, तो ड्रिप सिस्टम। ड्रिप सिस्टम है उसके अंदर पानी का ज़्यादा बगाड़ नहीं होता। नाउ दी 10th वन इज विच टूल इज यूज्ड टू रिमूव वीड्स। ठीक है, तो वीड्स का मतलब होता है कि अनवांटेड प्लांट्स को रिमूव करने के लिए कौन सा टूल इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, तो आंसर आएगा खुरपी। 2,4-D इज विच टाइप ऑफ केमिकल, तो वो है वीडिसाइड, यानी कि जो वीड्स है अनवांटेड प्लांट्स को दूर करने की ये केमिकल है। विच ड्राइड लीव्स आर यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरिंग फूड ग्रेन्स एट होम, तो हम घर पे जो अनाज का स्टोर करते हैं तो उसके लिए हम कौन से लीव्स का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली हम सबको पता है नीम लीव्स आएगा। ठीक है, नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन, fill in the blanks. The same kind of plants grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called crop. The damaged seeds would float on top of water. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and water as well as nutrients from the soil are essential. From the time duration for rabi crop is generally October to March. The crop which is sown in rainy season is called kharif crop. Now the sixth blank is the paddy crop requires more amount of water, so it can be cultivated in monsoon. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling. Nowadays, ploughing is done by tractor-driven cultivator. The leveling of the soil is done with the help of a leveler. Now the 10th blank says wooden plough contains a strong triangular iron strip called ploughshare. And the 11th blank is the supply of water to crops at different time intervals is called irrigation. The separation of grain seeds from the chaff is called threshing. Now the third question is answer in one words. So the first question is what is the crop grown in the winter season called? It's a rabi crop. So what is the time period of a kharif crop in India? It's June to September. Which traditional tool is used to break crumbs? Plank. Which modern tool is used for sowing with the help of tractor nowadays? It's seed drills. Which bacteria are present in the root nodules of leguminous plants? It's rhizobium. What are undesirable plants growing naturally along with the crop in the field called its weeds? Which implement is used for manual harvesting in India? It's a sickle. Which mechanical implement is used for harvesting? It's harvester. Now the right wrong. Paddy is a kharif crop? It's right. Gram is a rabi crop? Yes, right. The field is labeled for sowing as well as for irrigation purposes. Right. A seed drill is used for removing weeds and for loosening the soil. It's wrong. Farmers select good quality of seeds for sowing. Right. Sixth one is use of fertilizers improves the texture of the soil as well as enhance the water holding capacity of the soil. It's wrong. Now they answer the following questions in one sentence. Now the first question is, in which class are plants classified on the basis of season? So the answer is, on the basis of season, the plants are classified as Kharif crop and Rabi crop. Second one is, how are earthworms and microbes helpful to farmers? So the answer is, earthworms and microbes turn and loosen the soil and add humus to it. Now the third question is, how do the soil organisms add humus into the soil? The soil organisms decompose dead plants and animals. In this way, various nutrients held in the dead organisms are released back into the soil. Now the fourth question, mention the types of plough. The first one is wooden plough and the second one is iron plough. The fifth question, what is the need before ploughing? If the soil is very dry, it may need watering before ploughing. Why are seeds covered by the soil during the sowing? So the seeds are covered by the soil during sowing to prevent damage caused by birds. Okay, by birds. यहाँ पे पीछे by birds लिखा हुआ है. Now the seventh question is, what is the use of plank? So the plank is used to break the soil crumbs and level the soil. Now the eighth question, if manure is to be added in the soil, then it should be added to the soil before ploughing the soil. Why? So because it helps in mixing of manure with soil in a proper manner. Now what is NPK fertilizer? So a fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium is called NPK fertilizer. State the sources of irrigation. So the sources of irrigation is wells, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. Now the 11th question is, state the name of modern methods of irrigation. There are two modern methods. The first one is sprinkler system and the second one is drip system. Now the 12th question is, when should the weedicides be sprayed? So during the vegetative growth of weeds before flowering and seed formation. Now the 13th question, state the harvest festivals in India. So India celebrated harvest festivals like Pongal, Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali, Nabanya and Bihu. Okay, now the definitions. Ploughing. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called ploughing or tilling. Okay, now the what is fertilizer? The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants is called fertilizer. Now what is irrigation? The supply of water to crop at appropriate intervals is called irrigation. Now the weeding, the process of removal of weeds is called weeding. And the last definition is harvesting. The cutting of a crop after it is mature, it is called harvesting.